we moved our hips out and we're trying to attack the Kimura, right? We have options. If he postures up, I'm going triangle. If I get my Kimura grip and he manages to pull his elbow, like pull his head away and slip his elbow out, that's when we go for the omoplata. And then if he punches his arm straight and I start to lose it this way, I can either sit up and take his back, or if I'm able to catch his arm in my hand, I'll start bridging up and taking my top leg, and I'm gonna put the back of my foot against the back of his head like this. It's a really, really important detail for your rolling armbar because it stops his most common counter. From here, I'm gonna keep this tightly hugged, roll all the way over to my other side. You can either finish here just by driving your hips in, or 9 times out of 10, they're gonna roll, and we just step over the face and finish like this, okay? So I'm pushing his head down, moving our hips out, trying to attack his arm. But as I push his arm, he pushes it back. If it comes all the way over my head, I'm gonna take my top foot to the back of his head. My knees stay together. It's really important that your knees don't separate during this roll one way or the other because it creates a lot of space and he's way more likely to slip out. Try to keep these together even as you roll to your side. You can either drive your hips in here or you can let him roll and then immediately step over because they're gonna try to use that roll to sit up on you.